searching for the reasons, in need of the rhymes, always feeling like I'm the one out of time. Moving round in circles, feeling like I've lost my way. And then suddenly, here you are, right in front of me. And now I'm falling slowly into you, not knowing what we will find, or what a future might hide. I'm falling slowly into you. Can't get the thought of you out of my mind. Trying to see clearly, picking up the pieces of my heart. Let us turn the page, a brand new start. Keep moving on, 'cause I'm falling slowly into you, not knowing what we will find, or what a future might hide. But I wanna tell you, we'll be okay if you stay. Seasons change outside the window, winter's turning into spring. Now the sky is clear, and I just wanna hear you say, not knowing what we will find, or what a future might hide. Falling slowly into you, can't get you out of my mind. And I hope that we'll be just fine. There's something about the way he talks to me, how he talks to me now. The glimmer in his eyes as he's watching me, you know I'm watching him now. As he laughs with his beautiful smile, I know I'll never survive without this stranger by my side. The way he talks to me, the way he talks to me now. Life can sometimes feel like it's only dragging you down, dragging you down. Just remember you will always rise. Let your body go and don't think twice. waves at him now. Tries to act as his beautiful wife. I know she'll never survive. If I leave, she will be alright. The way he talks to me, oh how he talks to me now. Life can sometimes feel like it's only dragging you down, dragging you down. Just remember you will always rise. Let your body go and don't think twice. If you meet a stranger with the deepest eyes, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Life can sometimes feel like it's only dragging you down, dragging you down. Just remember you will always rise. Let your body go and don't think twice. If you meet a stranger with the deepest eyes, come on, 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 come on.
Try to live without the borders. Tried so hard to be fearless at times, and I didn't know what I might find or what I'd miss if I didn't go, if I didn't go. I've always been afraid of the shadows, never really knowing what might appear. But once you get used to the darkness, your eyes will learn to see. They learn to see. So I will try. I will be scared, but I know that I stand tall. Know that it's okay if I fall, 'cause I fall back into your arms. I started to go, but I was frightened. I wanted so to find another way. I'm a late bloomer to everything the last minute. So before it's too